YouTube? It's your girl Indo. You watching the Cocoadolls. Thank you for tuning back in. Today I'm gonna be doing a car tour for you. It's my new whip. It's my new whip. Look, I just got the key. It don't even say Mazda on it. That's kind of whack, but it's probably a copy now that I'm thinking about it. But anyway, I'm about to be flexing all summer. I'm about to flex. I'm about to flex all summer. But keep watching. I hope y'all like this video. Shout out to my cameraman Tree. Yeah. So this is the car, guys. Oh, I just messed that up. This is the car. It's a Mazda RX-8 2005, you know what I'm saying? All leather seats. It's a two-door, it's a coupe with the sunroof, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so this is the wheel. It's a stick car. I don't know how to drive it yet. My dad's gonna teach me. This is the radio, you know, regular CD stuff, not really fancy. This is the stick, got a little charger here. Well, what's it called? Aux cord. My man Tris. Yeah. That's it. It's just a dope sports car, you know what I'm saying? Sunroof. Over here, you know, we got the automatic mirror stuff for the side mirrors. We got the lock button. I don't know. Oh, that's the child lock. The window things. I don't know a lot about cars, guys, but I'm just showing you a new car. I'm so excited. Dad came home and he was like, yo guys, come outside. It was like eating cereal, chilling or whatever. And I was like, for what? Like, why am I showing like that? Oh, it's the sun. But anyway, yeah, so we came outside and he's like, look at the car I just got you, Indo. And I was like, well, he don't call me, he calls my full name, but anyway. And I was like, you're lying, it's April Fool's, like, this is not for me. He's like, no, like, it's yours. And I was like, oh my god! I wish we would have known, because like I could have got my reaction, but yeah, Drake's trying to play cool. He's like super quiet, but yeah. Right. Guys, I'm so excited. It's about to be summer. I got the sunroof. Like, look at the lighting. I'm about to take some bomb selfies. You know what I'm saying? We in here, Treek. We out here. Is it comfortable back there?
Oh, yep.
There's a lot of space.
Yes. I can lay down.
You can lay down. What's that in the middle? Oh, guys, I didn't even show you this. All right, so wait. This sun's not messing with me. Hold up. So I have a brand new car. Obviously, it's a used car, so I gotta clean it. But this is the key. You know, my chapstick, 2 cup holders, this thing. There's some gum in there. That's my dad's. I don't chew gum. And then I think this is like the aux plug thingy, cigarette lighter, whatever you want to call it. What's this? Oh, 2 more cup holders. What's that? Some random thing. I don't know. And then this thing, another compartment. Storage. This is kind of dope. I mean, this is kind of like a disadvantage though, because you can't move it, so you can't really fit a third person here. But we about to be riding Super Dolo, right, Trey? It's a coupe. It's not gonna be a lot of people here, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, with the regular lights, you know. Up here we got the sunglasses thing. This is to do the mirror. I don't even know how to get the car to turn on, guys. I gotta wait for my dad. I'm guessing this is for the roof, right, Tree? Yep. Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna play with that at a later date, so I can show y'all. This is an actual sports car, so I'm so excited to drive this. It's probably this probably goes crazy fast, Tree. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. So the lighting is not that great in the car, but this is as good as I can get it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Shout out to my cameraman, Trey! Yeah. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment below. You can ask questions about the new whip and all that stuff. Follow us on our socials and stay tuned for more. Bye!
I was just bullshitting, and you know this, man.